Hi there, it's Sally, and I wanted to share something I learned today with you, and it is um, how to take something out of a design. Like if you wanted to take something out of one of these designs. What happened today is one of our customers was cutting a bag, and it had all these cutwork holes on the sides of it, and we decided that it might be better not to have the holes on one side, so we needed to figure out how to take the holes out of the one side of the bag. And so we had to figure out how to do that. So it wasn't that easy, and I thought we'd show you how to do that. And I found this tablet case, and I thought that this might be a good example. And what I thought was kind of fun in that regard is what you could do with this is you could take the center of these out and put somebody's name in here instead of having all the cut work. So let me show how you do that. If you see this down here, this is your film strip. So if you see this, this is what we have selected. And right now you can see right now we cannot click on any of these things. Oops, I moved that. Didn't really want to do that. And that's where we were really frustrated this morning because we could not delete any of these things. So what you want to do is go up to Object and say Undo Holes, and look what happens here. All the holes get undone, and look at how all those little objects are right here, and they're all here. So now you could copy these and move them somewhere else, and you can highlight. We're trying to decide if we could box select these. Box select. Yes, we can. So you can box select them and delete. Oh, but we didn't want to delete all that. So undo. Here I'm telling you one thing and nope, undo. We just want to delete the middle of it. So we want to box select. Go to box select, and we want to box select the center here. So we're only going to delete the center of this. So we're going to delete this one and this one. And then they were going to put a name in the middle of it. No, I didn't want to make that smaller. No, no, no. I want to move this up here. I don't want to move it, zoom this in so we can see better. Okay, so now you can see we have all these squares around here. And what we want to do is to get these selected again, we're going to select that and then box select these, and then select the outside too. And shift over here. We need to select the whole thing and then continue selecting because we want to select all these again. So I box selected and see how that selected everything on here. So now I go back to the object and say make holes, and all our holes are back. Okay, so I box selected and went just made a box around it, and then it selected everything, and our holes came back. Now, if we go to Object up here and say Add Lettering, we can type in a name, like say Sam, and then rotate it around and make it fit here. And I don't know if I like that font particularly. Let's make it a different font. I like that font. What font shall we use? You can scroll. There's so many fonts you can choose from. Pick a font, any font. Nice font might be. Okay, let's pick this one. Okay, so it's this font we picked. And it's going to go in that spot. And now what we're going to do is we need to come here, click this, and Control Shift. So we're clicking. We need to click this and this. These both need to be selected. You can't do box select because we don't, well, yeah, we can do box select. So we're going to do box select again. And that's going to select this one and this one, but we don't want this one in the middle. And then we're going to go make holes. So now that made a hole in the middle. So now we've got the hole for Sam. And now you have the holes that you had before, and it has Sam's name in the middle of it, or whatever name you wanted to put in the middle of it. So you can do whatever you want. I thought that was so cool. All right. I hope you like the idea. I sure did. And try it out yourself with whatever you want.